Welcome to Financial Channel. Today we'll be talking about 7 high profit, high potential businesses that you can invest in 2026. I can help you manage, multiply your money. And without further ado, let's just go right into it. Number 1 is the real estate value driven or tech enabled industry. Real estate industry, value driven or tech enabled industry. Why is this so? Because of the continuous urbanization of an housing deficit, it will still need shelter. A real estate will still be needed. According to policy of demand and supply, where there is much more demand, there will be need for supply. And when demand is higher than supply, there will be what? There will be inflation. There will be increase in price. So the housing deficit is still there. And then the need for real estate is still there. So if you're looking out for investing in 2026, the real estate industry is an industry that you want to invest in. You want to consider investing. So you want to either look at affordable housing opportunity, or you want to look at investing in workplace, office complexes, and the likes. And you want to look at investing in land banking or land flipping. This is something that can help you make money in a short while. Or you want to also look at real estate funds, investing in what? In real estate funds or real estate buyback or real estate buy to sell plan. These are investments that you put your money in and then you make money from it, right? So the real estate investment is something that can do it, that will help you manage and multiply your value of job. It's number 2. Business that can help you make money is the fintech and digital service business. I have someone that just set up a fintech product, and then in less than 1 month, we have done transaction up to $10,000. So if you have a platform that's leverage the fintech platform can be a platform set up to teach people or to get people's course, just like Seller.co. Sell courses for people, just like Masterclass, just like Udemy, just like there are several alternatives of these digital e-learning platforms. Another digital platform that can make money is related to financial services. So you want to set up payment gateways for people. That platform that I said that was set up and made up to $10,000 to $15,000 within first 1 month. The payment gives you the platform that helps you issue invoice to your customers, and then their customer within 1 month has done transaction of more than $15,000. So the fintech industry, depending on your expertise, depending on your skills, you want to look at which one can I kill that will help me make money. Number 3 industry that will make money or business that will make money is the e-commerce plus fulfillment logistics service. The e-commerce is also leverage on digital service. You can sell products online. E-commerce platforms like Jumia, Konga, Gigi have been in Nigeria for long, and they are making money. And there are other platforms that are also making money for people in the past years. So as the year goes by, population keep increases. And then people, one thing I know about Africa is that Nigerians and Africans are buyers. We are always buyers. We are some of the easiest people we can convince to buy a product, right? And once someone buys the product should be good. The person will come back again, right? So the e-commerce business is a business model that can still help you make money. You can sell your product online. You can use social media platform. You still categorize under e-commerce. Now the social media positioning is increasing on a daily basis. So your business leveraging social media is a strong stimulant. Now the fulfillment and the logistics is also put up categorizing under e-commerce. It's also something that will make money, because as e-commerce is rising, there will be need for logistics, and these goods will be transported from one location to another. And this is a business model that grows along with the e-commerce business. So this is something that you want to consider investing in 2026. That's number 4 business or industry that will help you make money is the food and agri processing industry. Food is a is a market that will never go down, because this is one of the most basic human physiological needs. Food first, clothing second, shelter third, right? And food, someone does not eat would not think about shelter. It is when you have eaten that we are thinking about shelter, right? So food and agri process. So if you're investing in farm, something that can help you make money. If you're investing in agri processing, you make money. So you're looking at poultry, you're looking at livestock, you're looking at your rice, you're looking at grain meal, you're looking at packaged food. You are also looking at farm to table tech, creating a digital platform that links farmers and final consumers. There are people doing this, but I think that market has not been destabilized. What running has not been tapped down much, because most of the digital platform is managed by the middleman. So you want to create a digital platform that will link rural farmers to the Uber, right? That platform alone, you may decide to be involved in the delivery or logistics, or decide not to be involved. All you just want to do is to own the platform. The farmers upload their product at their price. When somebody requests, they deliver. But logistics and delivery, we may not handle that. But if you decide to handle that, it's also a business model, and I'm not sure if you make money. So on the food and agri processing, several businesses you can make money from under this field. So look at the business that can help you, or the farm products and the food product that you can easily invest in with little money, and then you grow over a period of time. The fifth businesses that can help you make money with trade is the edutech upskilling platform. Now, this is hot now because youth employment gap remains a priority. Skills mismatch in the digital era persists, and then remote learning is not new, right? So people can sit at the comfort of their home and log on to a digital platform, and they learn and then increase their skills. So strong niche are in the area of coding, tech bootcamp, business and finance education. These are areas that if you create an edu-tech product in that area, you make a lot of money. Corporate training programs, people are always making money from this niche. So edu-tech skills, upskilling platform. So if you have expertise in either of these areas, right, you can start making money teaching people for money, or creating a platform that can bring in instructors and then you charge for the platform. So whichever way you want to tap into it, edutech and upskilling platforms is going to help you make a lot of money. A lot of people now want to increase their knowledge. They want to get more certification at the comfort of their home. So sitting down for my own, and I'm getting knowledge, I can pay for it fast. Some people have already written down what you want to learn in 2026. An example is myself. I've written down a number of things I want to learn, and I've looked at for platform that offers this thing. As okay, Q1, this is what I want to learn. This is the money I want to spend. Q2, this is what I want to learn. Q3, I know a lecture that I'm going for in November 2026, and I don't need to go outside my comfort. On my PC is done. All right. So the edutech is something that would make money for people that set up and that set this up or take advantage of it. The sixth one, that is second to the last that I will mention, is the health tech and wellness service. You have what's it called? You have the wellness service in the area of take for instance the services related to wellness. An example or health is like the gym kind of service, and of course a lot of us know a lot of all the gym services like high fitness and lifespan sleeping, a lot of what they are pulling out in terms of financial record and also health tech. So if I create something that is related to health and then tied to tech, right? Health tech remains a priority. Demand is important. So investing in health tech platform, the Advances Lab, preventive health and wellness, and health insurance tech, it is something that also makes money. So you want to look at something that is solving health problem tied to tech. So if you are in the health industry, you want to look at something that is solving health problem tied to tech, or something that is solving wellness problem time to take, possibly, and then you can make money from this. The last but not the least, which is the number 7, businesses that can help you make money in 2026 is alternative investment and asset management. Investing your money in liquid funds, right? There are investments in the NAST platform that lists private companies. NAST platform is a Nigerian exchange platform that is not publicly quoted on the stock exchange, but is privately traded. Now, in fact, the NAST platform has increased massively. In January, from 1.14 trillion market cap to I think 1.4, right? So this industry, or this asset management or money capital market industry, is making money. So you can decide to either invest in the publicly quoted or publicly traded or privately traded companies, right? Other asset management would be the real estate plus smart funds. You can put your money and get cash flow over time. You can also invest in the capital markets, like the stock market, like the money market funds, like the mutual fund, which is the mutual fund, like the bonds, like the treasury bill, or the commercial papers. These are alternative investment that can help you make money and multiply money, and at the same time, they are liquid investment, meaning you can liquidate them in a short while and you recoup your money. So means any financial demand or investment in that. If you have gotten value from this video, subscribe to this channel for more, and also click the link in the description button to join our WhatsApp community. Everyone is anonymous, and then we teach on business and investment. That community will share with you weekly events, articles, or business opportunity. Also give you a reminder of our live business we're holding every Friday. And with the live business school every Friday is a live section. We talk on different businesses. So in a month we can talk on real estate, another month we can talk on transportation, another month we can talk on capital market investments. Just a platform that helps you increase your financial intelligence. Money does not make you rich. Financial intelligence makes you rich. Someone can have 1 million in his account, then within the next 1 month is gone. And someone can have 100K in his account, and in the next 2-3 months is increased to 5 million. Because the difference is just financial intelligence, right? So money in the hand of someone without financial intelligence is money soon gone. It will soon go. It's just there because there's no financial intelligence. But someone that does not have money but has financial intelligence, money will soon gone. So subscribe, click on the notification bell, and join the community to learn more and business and investment. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.